Hey there, hopping on quick to share with you about this Ninja combo blender slash food processor, also smoothie maker, all combined in one product. I want to show you a couple of cool features. We're going to test to see how this does with crushing ice, how it does with chopping vegetables, and how it does with making a smoothie. So stick with me and you can see if this might be the right gadget for you. So what's nice is this takes the place of 3 different appliances in your kitchen. So right off the bat, I love that. Let me just show you a few super cool things. Easy release top on the blender, so simple. Has a built-in pour spout, so if you make something, you can pour right from the blender. We're gonna test and see how it does on ice. This is a little bit noisy, just a heads up. And so for the mode, you can kind of select your mode. I wanted to do a large chop or a small chop with my ice, so I'm just gonna set it for that and hit power. I'm sorry, I'm gonna hit start. Okay, and that is, you can also do a manual setting where you just go ahead and blend it up like that. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. I just want you to get a quick look to see how well it did with that ice. It did a fabulous job. We're gonna get this ice out of here because I wanna show you how, wow, it made like snow. So you can make your margaritas in here, like you are all set with this baby. It is, you see it did a killer job on the ice. So I'm gonna get this ice out of here. We're gonna test this with chopping vegetables. This is such a huge time saver. You're gonna wanna stick around and see this because, wow. So I wanted to make a chopped salad that was gonna have red cabbage in it. And I didn't wanna take the time to chop up all the cabbage. So I just cut it in these chunks. And I'm just kind of tossing the chunks into the blender, like so. And then we are gonna just go ahead and turn this baby on and see how it does with the chopping. So check her out. We're gonna secure the lid and we're gonna use the chopping mode here. I'm gonna do a large chop. So this is gonna kind of pulse it through and do large chop for us. Check it out. Look how quickly, like it's practically finished. Like done. That was so fast. So fast. Take a peek. Look. All chopped and ready for my salad. Like fabulously done. There's a bunch more in there that's kind of stuck because of the ice. Okay, check out the smoothie feature. Okay, that's what's up next. So we've saved time with veggies. We can crush ice, we can make our margs. I have some almond milk in here, protein powder, frozen fruit going in next. And then you go ahead and attach, look at the mega blades on this baby. You go ahead and attach the blades there. You screw this right into your unit, just like that. Turn this on. It does have a BlendSense, so that will kind of evaluate what you put in here and then blend it according to how it feels best. So you can use that if you want. I like to just blend myself, but you can do whatever you'd like. And it's done, literally. I want you to see how great this looks. So what a time saver. This takes care of, look at this. This takes care of 3 different appliances in your kitchen. You've got, well, this is a blender, this is a food processor, this is a smoothie maker. Make sauces with this. The possibilities are endless, and this has saved me so much time. It's got that super high quality Ninja quality that you're used to if you're familiar with their products. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this set. I am so excited because now I can get rid of my food processor, I can get rid of my junkie blender, and I can get rid of my smoothie maker because I can do it all with this. Fabulous. Hope this helped.